Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Infolin. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2 presentation part for the year May-June 2025. Now come on the presentation part. Here is the presentation, task 4 presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides have must a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 8 slides using the file info.rtf. First we open a PowerPoint. Here is the blank presentation and here is the option new slides. Click on this. Go to slides from outline. Go in your work area. Find the file info.rtf. Here is the info.rtf file. Insert this and remove this blank page. Unless other view instructed, the slide must display title and bulleted list. All slided must display the bulleted list and titles. Now come on step 21. Place in the footer of the right Place in the footer of the slide header name and center number and candidate number. Place in the footer automated slide number center line. Now first we do a master slide. Click on view master slide. Remove the footer. After this, click on insert. Here is a text box. Right of the slide header. Now we made a text box in the right of the slide in the header. First we adjust this. Then we enter our name, then center number, then candidate number. Do in right align. Then click on insert. One text box is in the center of this slide. Give the automated page number. Click on insert. Here is the slide number. Make sure that the header and footer appear in the same position on every slide. No items overloop on any slide. First we close the master slide. Here is we able to see on the page send candidate detail and the slide number. Now come on step 22. Delete the slide with the file with the title Tavera running event and prices. Now we delete these slides. Here is the slide Tavera running events. Delete this and prices. Now come on step 23. Using the data in the file age.csv to create a line chart to compare the total presentation for men and women within each age group. First we open the file. Here is the file age.csv. Click enter. First we adjust this for clear visible and adjust this also. Then we select the age group. After this we select men total and women total. Then click on insert. Here is line. Here is a line chart. Now display with labels. The age group on the category axis, the percentages on the value axis. The age group in the category axis and the percentage in the value axis. Now come on step 24. Display a legend with the label male for man total and female for woman total. Open the file. Here is legends. Right click. Select data. Add it. Here is man. Give OK. Woman total. Added this. Females. Female. Then give OK. Give OK. Now come on step 25. Label the chart with the title Gender Distribution by Age Group. On the file, here is the chart title is Gender Distribution with the Age Group. Enter this. Format the value axis scale to display minimum value 0, maximum value 0.42 and increment of 0.07. On the file, here is the value axis. Right click, format axis, minimum value 0, maximum value for 0.42. Increment means major 0.7. Give OK. Place the chart to the left of the bulleted on the slide with the title Marathon Participation. Make sure that no words are split. All data and labels are fully visible. The chart and its content do not overloop any slide items. Copy this. Open the presentation, marathon presentation. Adjust this in the right side and chart are paste here and adjust in the left. No words are split, no content are overloop. Kill, no words are split and no contents are overloop with the slide data. Now come on step 28. On the slide with the title Elite Running, locate the two bullets describe the qualifying times for men and women. Format only these two bullet points as the bullet points are indented to 2.5 centimeters. The bullet style is displayed as a dash The format size is smaller than the other bulleted text. The text is displayed in title list. The slide should look like this. Now we open a slide elite runners. Here is the elite runner file. So select these bullets, text direction. No, sorry. Here is the option increment. Right click, paragraph, indentation before text up to 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. The bullet style is displayed as a dash. Give OK. Here is the bullets and numbering. Customize. Find the dash. Here is the dash. Give OK. Then OK. The font size is smaller than the other bulleted text. The text is displayed in italics. The text will display in italics. So do it in italic. Now come on step 29. On the slide with the text with the title Elite Runners, format the text email us, so that when clicked it's open and email editor ready to send message to tam and tam at cambridge.org with a subject line Elite Runners entry. First we open a file. Here is the email us text. Right click. Here is find the link, hyperlink. Enter your email address and the subject is Elite Runners entry. Enter this text in the subject. Then give OK. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the link text, email address and subject first, and then we take a screenshot to show as an evidence. Take a screenshot. Open evidence file. This is our step 29 evidence. Give OK. Now come on step 30. Save the presentation. First we save the presentation. Save this. Print slides 2, 3, 4 and 5 only as handout in portrait orientation with two slides to the page, each filling half the page. Now open a presentation. Go to file. Here is the present option. 2 to 5 slide. Two slides are visible on one page. Print out the slide with the title Marathon Participation as a full page slide in landscape orientation. Open a file. Mat- Marathon participation is the second slide. Click on file, print, do only slide 2 only, then select full page slide. After we apply the examination rule, enter our name, then enter our center number. After that, candidate number. Apply to all. After that, you print it.